Oarai Isosaki Shrine is a historic Shinto shrine in Oarai town. The shrine was found in the 9th century and was rebuilt in the Edo period. Only few people are here during the day. Perhaps this is in line with the third set of emergency declarations in Japan. This shrine is one of the best sunrise spots in Japan. Many locals venture to the shrine on New Year's Day to catch the first sunrise of the year. This gate is called the chnha. This is a place where you can get spiritual energy along the rugged Oarai coastline. This is the Kamiiso-no-Torii, which means gate at the base of the gods. Be careful, the waves are really strong. Don't get too close as it is very dangerous. The ambience here is just so peaceful. I'll definitely come here again next time to see the sunrise. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.